Welcome to GMAC Engineering Solutions, your trusted partner in dairy equipment manufacturing with a commitment to excellence and innovation. We take pride in being a leading supplier of advanced dairy processing solutions tailored to meet the needs of our clients. Recently, we successfully supplied a state-of-the-art mini dairy chilling center to Amul Dairy in Chittoor. This cutting-edge facility includes a bulk milk cooler with a capacity of 10,000 liters, ensuring efficient chilling and preservation of milk at the farm level. To complement this setup, we installed a 200-liter balance tank and a high-performance centrifugal milk pump, which streamlined the milk transfer process with precision and reliability. At the heart of the system is our HTST pasteurizer, with a capacity of 1,000 liters per hour, guaranteeing safe and consistent pasteurization of milk, enhancing both its quality and shelf life for storage. The plant is equipped with two vertical milk storage tanks, each with a capacity of 3,000 liters, designed for hygienic and space-efficient milk holding to complete the processing line. We've integrated a double-head milk pouch packing machine of capacity 5,000 pph, ensuring seamless packaging of milk in pouches ready for market distribution. Our fully automated system features interconnected stainless steel pipelines and fittings, delivering a smooth, efficient, and hygienic flow of operations from start to finish. At GMAC Engineering Solutions, we are dedicated to providing dairy businesses with top-of-the-line equipment, enhancing productivity and product quality. Partner with us to elevate your dairy processing to the next level.